Ashish Sharma. He's the CT MRI technologist at Cleveland Hospital, Abu Dhabi, UAE, and having more than 15 years of experience in the field of medical imaging technology. Sir, I would like to
Thank
ask
you.
you what are the procedure to get the job in the abroad, and is there any licensing requirement is there, or the any special exam is required for the study purpose or the job purpose? So you are there since 6 to 7 years, so you have a lot of experience in abroad. So please share your vision, sir.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, all. Okay, I didn't make any PPT. I'm going to share my life experience as a CT MRI technologist.
Sir,
Okay, thank
yes,
you.
sir.
So I have done my BSc in radiology from Jolly Grant Hospital. Then I came to Delhi. I did like 6 month training like a city technologist in Sir Gangaram Hospital. After that, I joined Mahajan Imaging for last next 6 years. If I calculate as a technologist, you should have physical and practical knowledge together to have a good technologist, to be a good technologist. If you have a theoretical knowledge and you don't have a practical knowledge, you are incomplete. If you have practical knowledge and you don't have a theoretical knowledge, you are incomplete. So always, as for like a new student, new generation, please combine both things together, practical and theoretical. In my case, I learned a lot from Gangaram Hospital and from Mahajan Imaging, and my theoretical knowledge came from Jolly Grant Hospital because they teach us very, very well. When I was in training, when I was doing my scans like CT, MRI, I always connect myself. Oh, theoretical is different, practical is different. Then like these days we have a Google, we have a lots of platform to search everything. I search and I collecting data like evidence based practice. After that, I was in BLK hospital. I was involved in liver transplant team, stroke team, heart transplant team, different teams. I learned a lot. I was thinking, okay, let's take further, just go apply abroad. First, I tried Canada. Canada, I all clear all papers like CMRT, all these things. But due to some reason, and Canada is too far, I give up. I got phone call one day. Okay, you have an interview from Cleveland Clinic Hospital, Abu Dhabi. This is the first hospital, American hospital outside of the US. And as of now, I am doing really well here. I am really satisfied from my job, my performance. So then I went for interview. You won't believe it that 6-7 person was there, director of radiology, MD, HR, all these things within, because in abroad they are doing only technology is doing only one part, and in India we are doing head to toe everything. We have a full knowledge. In abroad, if somebody is doing CT cardiac, he knows only CT cardiac. If somebody is doing perfusion, he knows only perfusion. If somebody is doing abdominal imaging, he knows only abdominal. But for us as a Indians, it's a good opportunity for us. We know head to toe everything, X-ray, CT, MRI. Then I cracked that interview. After that, as a new generation for radiology scope in UAE, you have to apply online. I will give you some site like Gulf Talent, Naukri Gulf, MonsterGulf.com, Indeed Gulf. After that, you have to start your licensing exam. Licensing means in Dubai you have to give DAHO exam, and Abu Dhabi is hard, and all over the Gulf MOH. For to take that exam, you need to have a degree, passport, and transcript. Transcript means first year, second year, third year, your all numbers on it, and minimum 2 years of experience. Earlier time they used to accept diploma, but now they said only we need degree holder. Then you have to go to Ministry of Interior, Embassy of India, Embassy of UAE to get stamps on your degrees, like your degree is valid. After that, they will do your degree verification via DM office from your university, and then you have to apply online, start licensing process, which call starting data flow. Data flow means they will check your all documents, everything. That will take 2 to 3 months. Once it's clear, then you can take exam. So exam passing marks, nobody knows. Even I don't know. Somebody say 75%, some say 90%, some say 80%. And you will get only three chances to correct that exam. If you fail three times, you cannot apply next time. That's the thing. And yes, if you talk about scope in radiology in UAE, 80% radiology technologists belong to India, and they are really doing good job here. Private hospital and government hospital, they need real technologists. And in back home in India, in one hospital we have one CT, one MRI, one X-ray unit. But in UAE and in abroad, anywhere, I'm talking about UK, US, Canada, in one hospital they have a minimum 4 to 5 CT scan, 4 to 5 MRI, minimum 10 to 15 X-ray units. So you can think about it. In one radiology department, how many technologies they need, and they are working like 24 into 7. Even in daytime, if they have 10 technologists on ground, night also same number of the staff. That's the thing. And if you talk about the UAE salary depends on hospital to hospital and depends on your knowledge. And I can only must say ultrasound sonographer is really good scope in UAE, and but they don't accept Indian degrees. They said if you pass BSc radiology, you can move to UK, Australia, Canada, get 2 year diploma in sonographer, then you can get a job easily. And I am working here CT MRI technologist. The good thing is when I joined here 2014, I was really nervous, but I show my knowledge to them. I discuss with them. I discuss with doctors like what I learned from India, and they're really impressed. Now, next month, I'm going to complete my 6 year here, and they are going. They promise me they are going to promote me as a senior CT MRI technologist. So for new generation, do whatever you like it. Like if you like CT, do CT. If you like MRI, do MRI. But just you have to master in one part. Like okay, you like CT abdomen, you have to master on that part. If anyone asks you anything, anatomy, physiology, physics, you should give answer. If you are doing MR mammogram, do only mammogram. Just learn everything on it. Don't mix yourself between CT, MR, ultrasound. No, just be master in one part. You will get a success 100%. And about job in all over the world, according to recent survey ART, 20 to 30% job increase every year all over the world as a technologist. Now, I was talking to last week one German application specialist. He was saying next is coming because in Europe, America, US, they are not getting MRI technologies. They don't have MRI technologies, only few. So now they are going to do, they are going to create one software, one technologist work in two MRI scanner. So what they are going to do, if you place patient on table, you have to just click one button. So they will do scan on remotely. Then you have to place second patient on table, they will scan remotely. So that they are going to do next because they are not getting technologists in MRI, especially in MRI. Thank you so much. I'm happy to get any question if you have.
Yes, sir. I have a question. Thank you, sir. First of all, for your experience to share your experience with us. And I have a question from the audience. So someone asked what are the scope after the pursuing master in the field of radiology in the UAE or abroad after master MSc.
Yes, in MSc here they are saying specialization in which part MSc. If you are doing MSc radiology, it's count like you are doing everything: CT, MR, X-ray, nuclear medicine, ultrasound. So they are looking for here MSc in especially one part, like MSc in MRI, MSc in CT scan, MSc in functional, MSc in ultrasound. Scope is there. Scope is all over the world. It's up to you how you will achieve.
Okay, sir. Is there any exit exam is required
Yes,
to
yes. You
get
have
the
yes, I
job?
already mentioned you have to take HAD exam, HAD or DOH exam to get job. That's like a licensing exam we call here. It's very simple. They ask
Okay.
only X-ray question, no CT, no MRI, no ultrasound, only X-ray question, pure X-ray question. They will ask physics, they will ask positioning, they will
Okay.
ask anatomy, they will ask pathology. If your basic concept is really good, you can easily crack. I crack in a first attempt.
First attempt. Okay, right, sir. Good, sir.
Yeah, you have to have a good knowledge for X-ray. That's the thing. That's like a basic.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.